How to uninstall DataCamp on your Android device. Are you guys facing issue to remove DataCamp from your device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. In order to delete the DataCamp from your mobile device, just simply head over to the DataCamp and hold it for a second. After you hold it, you will get three options: App Info, Desktop Shortcuts, and Uninstall. You are looking to uninstall the application, right? Just tap on uninstall. You will be again forwarded to these options. DataCamp, do you want to uninstall this app? You are looking to delete it, right? Just simply tap on OK. As soon as you click on OK, your app will be instantly deleted from your device. And that's it, guys. That's how you can uninstall DataCamp from your Android devices. If you guys have any issues regarding DataCamp, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.